What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning this 2015 Toyota Sienna. This minivan is for a mom with 3 kids and a dog, and we know how that works. On top of that, this van just did a across the states road trip, so it's full of dirt and snacks and drinks and all that. So we're gonna get all that cleaned up. We're gonna extract the seats and some of the carpet, get it super clean and deep clean it and get it back to brand new shape. So with that being said, let's roll the before shots and let's get it cleaned. Okay, so as you saw guys in the before shots, this van is in a bad shape. So first things first is to remove the seats so we can get as much space as we can to work and get it as clean as possible. And after removing the seats, I'm just gonna separate their stuff from the trash and garbage and remove the bigger trash that the vacuum cannot remove, so it doesn't get clogged and I don't have to clean it while I'm working. Here I am removing the floor mats, all of them, so I can later get them cleaned up and pressure wash them. And after that, I'm just gonna start vacuuming. I'm gonna vacuum under every trim, around the seats, in between the seats, all the floors, everywhere I can vacuum, in the door panels, everywhere. I'm just gonna get it as clean as I possibly can before start extracting the carpet and the seats. Okay, after finished vacuuming the carpets and the minivan actually didn't look too bad. So there was a few spots on the carpets that needed to be extracted, and after that I was just wiping everything clean and cleaning up the floor mats. Here I am actually using a 10-to-1 carpet cleaning solution, and then I agitate with my drill brush, which I bought on Amazon for about $8. And then with my Bissel Pro Heat, Spot Pro Heat, I just extract the dirty water. As you can see here, it gets clean really easy, really quick, and it works very well. I'll have everything linked in the description that I used in this video for you guys to have access to, so look in the description if you would like to buy any of those. Alright, here for the seats, I am removing the crumbs and food and stuff from underneath, vacuuming that, and while I was there I just sprayed it with the all-purpose cleaner with the disinfectant and just wipe it right off. It was nice and clean. After that, I used the same method. I spray it with the carpet cleaning solution, agitate with the drill brush, and then extract. But it took a few passes. These seats were in very bad shape, but they came out really good. So just spray them down, agitate really well, and then extract with the Bissel. So it didn't took too much time, but the results were definitely really good. In this shot here, you can see all the equipment that I'm using. I have the Bissel Spot Pro Heat, and I have a hand pump filled with the cleaning solution, and I have my $8 drill brush on my Craftsman drills. So anything that you see in this video, again, I'm gonna link it in the description. Okay, so here to clean the trim inside, I spray with all-purpose cleaner that has a disinfectant that kills 99.9% of the germs. That's what it says on the bottle here. It's just an all-purpose cleaner. And I clean the door trims and all the panels inside with it, and I follow it with the Meguiar's interior cleaner you see in the black bottle here. That leaves it protected and shiny. And I just do that for all the trim inside the dash, and except for this where there is electrical buttons and stuff, I just do the Meguiar's only because I don't want to ruin anything electrically. So otherwise, I just spray with the all-purpose cleaner and then follow it with the Meguiar's interior cleaner. And one more thing to note here, that I don't use the same rag for the all-purpose cleaner and the Meguiar interior cleaner. I use separate rags so I don't mix them up, so I get the best results from using each product. What I'm using here is a paintbrush. Just I cut the tip of it straight so it's a little more stiff, and it works perfect for interior detailing. And also, it's a good idea to have the key in the ignition in the on position so you can move the shifter around and clean all around it. It's the worst thing for the driver to come in and just pop the transmission and drive, and then look and see all the dirt that you missed. So I really always just have the key on and move the shifter around and get it clean around it. See here for the steering wheel, there's a lot of buttons. I just use the Meguiar interior cleaner. I didn't use the all-purpose cleaner just because I don't want to ruin any electrical components or anything like that. Look at the shine that Meguiar interior cleaner leaves. Look at the dash, how shiny it is now, and it stays like that for a while, so that's why I like this product, really. Now onto cleaning the carpet and the floor mats. The carpeted floor mats. So what I do here, I just soak them wet with the regular hose, and then I spray the carpet cleaning solution on them, and then I agitate with the drill brush, and then finally I pressure wash them with my pressure washer. So that instead of extracting them, I just pressure wash them at the end, and then I just put them out to air dry for a day or so. Here in Arizona, even in the winter, it stays dry, so they dry out really quickly. Okay, so I just want to say at the end, I'm not a professional detailer. I am a DIY. I do stuff in my driveway. And I really hope this video was helpful to you in any way. I mean, deep cleaning a car on a budget, other detailers would charge 400 bucks to do the same service here. I hope this video helped you out in any way to clean up your car. And with that being said, good luck to you and Happy New Year. And enjoy the after shots. The results came out really, really amazing. Alrighty guys, so 6 hours later, this van is really, really clean, as you saw in the after shots, and it took a lot of work. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, please hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.